The Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO, has launched its third lunar exploration mission, dubbed Chandrayaan-3. Like Chandrayaan-2, it has a lander in the Pragyan rover, but no orbiter. The thruster section operates like a spacecraft used to deliver messages. Until the spacecraft reaches a 100 km lunar orbit, the lander and rover configuration is carried by the propulsion module. Another lunar mission was suggested after the failure of Chandrayaan-2, whose lander crashed shortly after entering lunar orbit due to a last-minute software bug in the landing guidance system. On July 14, 2023, at 2:35 IST, Chandrayaan-3 was successfully launched into a 100 km circular polar orbit. This marked the end of the first phase of the mission. On August 23, 2023, the lander and rover are scheduled to touch down at a region near the south pole of the Moon. ISRO launched Chandrayaan-2 on board a launch vehicle Mark III, LVM-3, launch vehicle in the second phase of the Chandrayaan program to demonstrate soft landing on the Moon. The lander was scheduled to land on the lunar surface in September 2019 to deploy the Pragyan rover. Earlier reports said that India and Japan were planning the mission to the lunar South Pole, with India providing the lander and Japan providing both the launcher and the rover. Site sampling and lunar night survival technology may be included in the mission. The subsequent failure of the Vikram lander prompted the pursuit of another mission to demonstrate the landing capabilities required for the lunar polar exploration mission proposed in collaboration with Japan for 2025. Three primary goals have been established by ISRO for the Chandrayaan-3 mission. First, gently setting down a lander on the Moon's surface. Second, taking advantage of the rover's ability to loiter on the Moon for research and display purposes. Third, conducting studies using chemical and natural materials, soil, water, etc., found on the Moon's surface to gain a better understanding of the Moon's composition by direct observation at the spot. The term interplanetary is used to describe the research, design, and testing of cutting-edge technologies necessary for interplanetary travel. From the second launch pad, SLP, at SDSC Shah in Sriharikota, the LVM-3M4 Chandrayaan-3 rocket successfully lifted off. On the 14th of July 2023 at 2:35 p.m. IST, the Satish Dhawan Space Center in Sriharikota, Andhra Pradesh, India successfully launched Chandrayaan-3. The spaceship is now on the course that will take it to the Moon. About 384,400 kilometers separate the Earth and the Moon. On August 23 or 24, the Chandrayaan-3 mission is expected to successfully land softly in the South Pole region of the Moon. Launching Chandrayaan-3 in July was a calculated risk based on the relative positions of the Earth and Moon made by the Indian Space Research Organisation, ISRO. Thank you for watching the video. Please do subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon to view more interesting videos.